Okay, we are going to tour the most screwed up foreclosure I've ever seen in my career. Well, let me rephrase that. Maybe top 2 or 3 in my entire career that I've seen, but this one is a real doozy. From what I know so far, this property has 8 current code violations on it, and they already have a lien, and they're getting fined daily on this property. So I'm going to talk more about those, but I don't have them in front of me, so we're going to do a tour, talk about the property, and what happens and how this all, basically is going to end up panning out. So this is the outside. You'll see the main property we have right here, the main house, which is over 3,600 square feet. Then you've got this other 2-story structure, and I don't even know what to call it. I guess it's going to be a detached garage, but just wait till you see that. But I'm saving that for last because I want to show you the house real quick. And I'm going to try to walk through this really fast. So what I know so far, there's 8 code violations on this property. I don't know what they all are off the top of my head. I did look over them briefly, but I'm going to pull those up and talk more about them. Code enforcement won't allow any broken or boarded up windows, so there's at least one busted window. So I know that's one thing. I know there's no power, so I'm going to do the best I can with the light. But this is a big living room area. You've got a utility room, it looks like, hot water heater. Man, these windows are all original. Yeah, there's boarded windows. So one of the rehab things on the list is going to have to be replacement of all windows. I guess that was a bathroom or something, I don't know, but it's a huge room. And I would say this might be the master bedroom, but that opening looks way too big for that. And there's a door going out back. So there's another big living area, double-sided fireplace. That's probably the coolest feature of this entire home. You got a big open kitchen. It looks like a bar. Oh yeah, well, I mean, you already know every bit of this would need to be gutted. I mean, the rest of this tile flooring, gutted. Maybe this is the master. You got sheetrock work throughout. Yeah, this is going to be typical flooring, sheetrock repairs, paint. Yeah, it's going to need a total upgrade here on the bathroom. This is where you need to repair. You know, skinny, long master closet. Yeah, holes in the sheetrock, holes in the doors are all ruined. Let's check out back real quick. There's a half bath. It's always nice to have off the kitchen. Oh yeah. Well, I can guarantee you they're getting fined for the yard. Yeah. If it's over 12 inches and people bitch, then they're going to get cited. So definitely got a yard issue here. I don't know what in the hell that is. So they definitely had an in-ground pool. But I have no clue what in the hell they were thinking of trying to build there. And there's your structure. I would love to know the history or story behind that. So yeah, I mean, this house is a total rehab. You got roof, you got siding. Oh yeah, there was a mention of don't go out the doors upstairs because there's no deck or balcony. Yeah, somebody's gonna fall around their ass and break their neck. So all the siding's got to be redone. You're talking about a money pit, man. So there is an upstairs with another bedroom and bath up here. I know the owners or whoever lived here had animals they left here, but even though I was told they did feed and water them, they left them here, so they crapped and pooped everywhere up here. So yeah, here's another bedroom. This is one of the better bedrooms. Well, you can't see anything in here, but the shower area's been gutted. And all this is all dated, looks like crap. So that's all gonna be redone. You can't see it either, because these damn lights. But there's aluminum wiring. So that's another thing to put on the checklist of this house is aluminum wiring. I mean, it just doesn't get any better. There's another big bedroom. One thing about these rooms, though, these will make good kid rooms. You could put all your toys and stuff and have them an awesome play center. Okay, we gotta hurry this up. I don't know how much longer my camera's gonna last. I really like that brick fireplace though. That's pretty cool. Man, this house could be a really fun party house. Okay, we're gonna walk around and look at this structure, and maybe you can tell me what in the heck do you think they were planning on doing with this. I mean, they spent a lot of money and time building this. It looks like it would be something like a 3-car garage. But you can't even get upstairs, so all that up there, you can't even get to it because this structure was meant for a elevator, and all you have is the elevator shaft. No elevator. So I do want to show you something really cool. These are not clay tiles. They're actually shingles, but they're made to look like clay tiles. Really cool. I've never seen that before actually on an actual house. I mean, this structure is huge. It's got plumbing, it's got electrical. All that's been done. Looks like here's another little shaft, maybe some kind of butler thing to go up or carry stuff. I don't know. This whole dwelling is just mind-blowing. Oh yeah, 2 full pallets of ruined concrete. That alone right there would cost a fortune to have that hauled off. I can see why this seller is being tight and not wanting to spend any money at all. Now I know they're being fined daily. And I'm pretty sure it's only $25 a day. I really want to show you this room, but I just can't get enough light for you to see how big this thing is. This makes no sense. This room is huge. Looks like somebody would be building it for like a racquetball court or something, but that just doesn't make sense. This room right here is, I mean, just so big and so expensive. It's crazy. So this is the big thing with this property, is this structure right here. And this is not my listing. And I really thank the good Lord on that one that I did not get this one, because to be honest with you, a property like this for the REO broker takes a lot of time. And you're not making any more money, for it. And like I said, this property, I think it's listed for $269 right now. There's no way it's going to sell for that. Just dealing with the city issues with the permits alone is going to be a nasty, nasty battle. Even though majority of the times they are very eager to work with new homeowners that are buying these properties to get the problem resolved. In my experience, they've always been really, really helpful when they know the property is going to be sold and something's going to get done to it, because they know a lot of times these corporate sellers, their hands are tied. It really makes no sense, but like I said, I can't wait to open up and look at these code violations and see what we got. But this house is going to need it all.